If you are wondering if there is a charger or power adapter included inside the box of OPPO Reno 15, then the answer depends where you live. Because on many markets, like for example in Europe or probably also in North America, the power adapter is no longer included. So generally speaking, if you live in a country where power adapters are no longer included, then in this case it is pretty much the same story. But if you live in a country or a region where you can still find power adapters, and then in the case of OPPO Reno 15, and that should be the case as well. You can also find on OPPO's website an information that clearly indicates that power adapters can be included, but only on some markets. So I assume that in many Southeast Asian countries, you can still find power adapters inside the box. But if you live pretty much anywhere else, then there's a chance that the power adapter is not included. Ideally, you want to take a look at the back of the box if you can, in order to find out if that is the case before you purchase the smartphone. And if you cannot look at the back of the box, then try to contact the person that is selling the phone to you and ask them if you can expect a power adapter. Leave a like and subscribe.